Good afternoon. This is CNFT's afternoon wrap-up of our trade recommendation in the T-note. It was made at 6:45 a.m. this morning, and we didn't have a lot to work with as far as trading range went today, but the trades worked pretty much as advertised. We started off wanting to sell 7s to 11s, and we wanted to buy 29s to 1s. The buy was moved up to 4s or better as the day progressed. It was just very, very quiet trading, not a lot going on. So the first trade of the day, right up here, number 1, the high was 8.5. This was a retest failure where you were leaning against this high, so a limit sell at 8 was executable. If you'd taken the trade when you came out that bar's low, you were short at 7. So you're short at 7 or 8. It took a while to get down, but this was the low that the market was waiting to retest, and we finally retest this low at 3. So getting out at 4 or better, you would have made 2 to 4/30 seconds on this particular trade for a winner. Another retest failure set up here right off of that sell. You were short at 4 to 4.5 in this area right here. The market did trade down to 2, so you were up 1 to 2. 30 seconds, and then we got a beautiful retest failure of the low here at 02, and you're long at 2.5 to 3.5, and the market trades up 6 or 7. So actually the high was 7.5, so you could have made 2 to 4/30 seconds on this trade. Now, the note is not sexy. It doesn't have a lot of volatility. It doesn't get a lot of conversation. It just happens to be the biggest market in the world, and there's a lot of depth and breadth, and it is known to retest highs or lows literally to the tick. So it gives you a lot to work with, and we strongly recommend it. So if you'd exited all of our trades at 2:30 seconds, you would have made 6:30 seconds, which is $187. That's not bad. If you had maxed out each trade and you come out at 4 and at 2 plus 4, you'd have had 10:30 seconds, which would have been $312 a position. So you can really do well in this contract, even though it's not as sexy and it doesn't have the following or the commentary that the E-mini does. It's just a real solid, steady Eddie type contract, and I think it has the lowest tuition costs of any contract out there for those of you wanting to learn how to trade. For more information about us, go to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our site, you'll get information on our software, educational packages, and our trading methodology. In addition to this, we offer you 5 free days in our trading rooms where you can see how we follow the markets, how we adjust, how we trade them live, real time. You may contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in our trading room for your 5-day free trial offer. And in the meantime, good trading to all.